Hi, today I'll be showing you how to connect the MySQL database to Google Sheets, as well as how to run and schedule queries. So let's get started. To set up your database, go to the Toolbar section and within Add-ons, click the Castodia Database Connector and click Settings. Here you can manage all your databases that you currently have, or you can create a new one. So to create a new database, you need to compile some database connection information, which consists of 5 components: database name, host, port, username, and password. If you're unsure of where to get this information, a great place to start would be to contact your engineering, analytics, or IT team. And so once you've received the credentials, you can paste it in. Start with a nickname, so we can use MySQL sample. And then click the drop-down menu to access the database that you would like, so MySQL. Database name, be test. Host would be the long URL, so encase the link here. Port, username, and password. Then go ahead and click Test to verify your credentials. They're okay, so go ahead and click Save. And that's how you save your database. Now let's go ahead and run queries. So click the add-ons again and go ahead and click Launch. Now select the database that you would like to use. So we just save the MySQL one and paste in your query. So this one's indicating that I'm selecting all the information from the demo table. And then I'll go ahead and click Run. After doing so, go ahead and save your query. A query name is mandatory, but the description is optional. And then go ahead and click Save. Now let's schedule query. You can schedule a query by accessing your Schedule tab and choosing the query that you would like to schedule and the sheet you'd like to run it in. Then you can choose to repeat it every day, on certain days of the week, on certain days of the month, and also on certain months of the year. I'll do it every day and I'll run it once every 1 minute. Then I'll choose a time range in terms of how I'd like to schedule my data. So I will choose between 8:55 a.m. to 9:18 p.m. Then I'll go ahead and click Schedule. Make sure when you schedule that you share the sheet with our Castodia email. So go to Share and share it with us. Before you send, make sure that the edit option is also on. And then go ahead and click Send. It's also important to note that whenever you do share or run a query, a pink line will form underneath the sheet name just like this, just to indicate that you've used the add-on. And so within a minute, we'll see a new entry form within our datasheet. Just like that.